Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Anyways, energy is low, very low. I don't know why I come on here with a low ass energy, but that's just life. Like sometimes you just feel like crap. Like, I'm coming on the host now in a minute. I just trying to put on my lashes. Hopefully you stay down because I was crying while I was putting these on. You guys, I feel so overwhelmed and just so like my anxiety is on 10 right now, on fucking 10. And I have to come out the house to talk to somebody. Not to talk my problems or what I'm going through, but just to talk, you know? Just to try ease and just to calm myself down. I just wanted to get out of the house just to talk because people don't really care, to be honest. People don't really care. So like when I have when my anxiety comes down, like I need to be around people. When I'm depressed, I just want to be by myself. But baby, this anxiety is really kicking my ass today, okay? It's kicking my ass, man. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I know the phone is loud as shit. I just feel like I can't breathe. My chest feels extremely tight. And that's why I'm recording in a way. No, you guys, I feel like shit. So let me just hurry up and put on some clothes. And I'm gonna walk down the road with my cousin and just chill for a little while. I feel so shaky. So, baby, listen, it's been quite a minute. It's been quite a minute since I've been on the vlog after my anxiety attack. Ooh, girl, like I haven't picked up the camera in days after that. But I hope you guys are doing great. I just came on in and say, hey, like I need to do better. Like I really need to do better. I don't know. Like I have some things that I need to update you guys on, but I don't know if I really want to talk about it right now. So I guess I don't know. Probably in the next couple of vlogs, future vlogs, I'll update because a lot has changed. A lot has changed. But when I oh my gosh, like when I get something really girl, listen, you know what, I'm gonna come back on the vlog. I don't even think I'm gonna post this because I want to be more interesting. Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Listen, I left the vlog off when I was inside the car sitting down talking. I look like a mess. It's wash day for me. My hair is supposed to get washed today. Okay, I'm on my second cup of coffee. Girl. Nails, always looking like I'm doing mechanic work. Yeah, girl, always. The dyes are killing me. The dyes are killing me in my head. Girl, I'm just having it rough. But anyways, babe, so let me tell you guys, right? So my second channel has been wild and it's been wild over there, okay? The ASMR community was like my safe spot, like over there. Like, you know, I got a lot of positive comments. They were just lit over there, you know, they was cool, always inspiring, always so freaking nice, okay? But lately, girl, I've been getting it left, right, and center, okay? I've been getting the rudest comments, just a bunch of horrible people been commenting on my stuff, especially the video with me eating the baby food because they said that is a shortage of baby formula or whatever like that. I had to explain like, oh, listen, I haven't bought baby food in years, okay? And that baby formula was given to me by a family member, okay? Her baby couldn't use it, so why not? I really don't mess with baby food like that. But yeah, they've been kicking my ass over there. And not only on that video but other videos as well. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? Like, what the hell is going on? And I've been kind of nasty as well, okay? I'm not gonna lie. Like, I've been commenting. Like, usually like if I have a bad comment, I just remove it or don't respond to it. But baby, y'all, like, everyone was attacking me and I had to get some of you guys together. But I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna feed into this negativity. I'm just going to remove the comments and don't say anything, okay? But now, like, I understand, like, I kind of understand, like, how big YouTubers feel. Like, I'm a really small YouTuber, like, I don't have that much. But, baby, when I've been getting a lot of comments, And, like, these people have been hitting below the belt, and so have I, okay? Yeah. Like, if you be nice to me, I'm being nice to you. Like, there are people who was commenting. It's like, okay, girl, It's all how you say things, you know. Yeah, you don't have to be rude about it. Like a lady, she was like, can you please stop eating the formula, you know, like there's a shortage, you know, I really appreciate that, you know. She was nice about it, and I was like, yeah, you know, you kind of nice and professional to me, and you kind of get the same attitude. But like I understand like how certain YouTubers feel like when they be like, you know, like how you want to come for me, like how all you want to come for me and just expect me to always be silent, you know. Like, because when I get negative comment, you all like be pretty silent, and I get more than one, and I've been silent for a very long time. But girl, I had to get it. But I removed it because it's supposed to be like a, you know, a nice and relaxing place. But these motherfuckers, they was trying me over there. They was trying me over there. But anyways, guys, enough talk. I just wanted to say that, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. You guys, I'm not a rude person at all. I'm not a mean person, I promise you. Like, I'm not a bad person. There's only so much I can take, alright, until I start giving you the fingers as well. But anyways, guys, so let me tell you about my day. I have a few things that I have to do. Like, I have to do my feet today. Yeah, I have to scrub my feet today. Yeah, it's overdue. Fold up these clothes on my basket because I want to organize my basket, my dirty clothes hamper, before I go to the laundromat. I'm going to the laundromat in a few days, and I want to organize that so I wouldn't have a problem. Yeah, I want to have my clothes all mixed up and sorting out whilst I'm going to the laundromat. So when I have to finish cleaning up in my room, I just change my bed sheets. So yeah, it feels so much better like when your room is decluttered, and it feels nice when it's clean. Like, I swear to God, like, you guys, when I tell you, like, having a dirty room is stressing me out, it stresses me out. But having dirty clothes, it stresses me out. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Let me just get into the video. Before I go and start out my basket, I have these 2 jeans pants I have to wash because, yeah, I ran out of clothes, and yeah, and I want to wear one of these tonight because I'm gonna go and chill for a little while, chill out tonight. So yeah. Clothes is over rimming, yes, because it's been raining for the last few weeks, and I'm not about to wash all these on my own. I'm just not, okay? So let me sort these out real quick. Okay, babe, so my clothes are folded up for the laundromat on Sunday. It is Wednesday, and yeah, I fold these up way today, like, right? But I really wanted them to be really organized. Like, I just want to get that out of the way. Like, I'm just ready to wash. Ooh, you guys, I cannot believe I just stand there and fold up dirty clothes to go to the laundromat. I just can't believe it, because I'm trying to make space for my basket, so I have to fold them up, and my basket was over rimming. It's a no for me. So here, now I'm gonna go in. I need to make something to eat because I haven't eaten all morning. I was just on coffee. I'm sweating. I think I also want to bathe as well before I even do my feet because I'm so sweaty. I'm not gonna feel relaxed. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat and bathe, wash my hair, then I'm going to do my foot, girl. Hey babe, so I'm out the tub. I dropped my iPads, put on a little concealer under my eyes. It looks like I'm just about to stay in tonight because the person's not answering their phone, but whatever. You guys, I did my feet look good. It was overdue. I didn't record it because yeah, I was being real ghetto. Yeah, while I was doing my feet, real ghetto. The products I was using and just what I was doing, girl. Like I was being real ghetto. And I did not want to record that. I know it's probably loud shit like always, but forgive me because it's so hot. Like summer is here, you guys. Summer is here. It is so freaking hot, and the heat usually have me so freaking exhausted. I'm so upset. I mean, like, the person isn't answering. It is. Let me don't say I'm so upset because I don't know something went wrong. Why the person isn't answering their phone? They may have an emergency. I don't know. That's why I'm kind of worried in a way, but I'm still kind of bugged, still kind of mad. But hopefully they return my call soon because I'm getting kind of worried in a way, you know. But anyways, on the internet has been off for the whole day, half of the day. In the whole Bahamas, only like you can use the data. The Wi-Fi is being off all day, so I can't reach them that way. I've been trying to reach them by regular call, but you know what? Yeah, girl, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully we get something good in the next vlog. So yeah, bye.